For the overhead ABC cables, we can provide a comprehensive selection of bare and insulated overhead conductors for power transmission and distribution networks. Engineered for outdoor performance, our cables feature high tensile strength, lightweight design, and excellent anti-corrosion properties to withstand harsh weather conditions. To control the raw material quality strictly, ensuring precise strand sizing, stable conductivity, and reliable mechanical tension. Contact us to get a quotation or discuss your technical needs.